Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's quick video I'm going to try and show you how to clean the air intake temperature sensor. It's pretty simple. I just need to unscrew it, take it out, and I'll show you where it's located. Okay, so the air temperature sensor is located right at the front of the engine. It's about here basically. I've actually just unplugged it, but I'll plug it back in to show you. So it plugs in there. My plug has actually got the tab snapped off of it, so it's not so hard to pull off. It was already like that, so I'm going to just unplug it straight out. Okay, and then underneath it, just there's a T30 screw. I'm just going to go ahead and undo that. Okay, so I've undone the screw, so now I'm going to just try and pull this out. It should just pull straight out, hopefully. Just very carefully. And there it is, yeah. And as you can see, pretty covered in oil and all sorts of gunk, so that's going to get a good clean now. Okay, so it's back to my trusty WD-40 contact cleaner, which does quite a good job of cleaning these things, and it leaves no residue. And it says no for use on electrical equipment, contacts, plastic and rubber. So I'm going to now give that a clean. Okay, so hopefully this should get all the gunk and oil off of this. Give it a really good wash through. Okay, so once that's nice and clean, you can just go ahead and just put that straight back on the car, and should be all good to go. So again, thanks for watching, and if you do like my videos, please do like and subscribe. I hope you find them useful, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.